What it do, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and I am coming at you today with a headlight build for a 2013 Nissan Sentra. Did a quad retrofit in this. Right now I got all the glitz and glamour on, so let me turn this off. Now that we got this off, let me go over all of the features that we've got here. Alright, so again, quad projector retrofit. We have done a D2S Morimoto with a PokeBall lens etching, which is really fun because it looks like follows you. Also did a Matchbox with a matching PokeBall etching in there. So that was in the high beam location. I have the same setup over here, obviously. We have the profile Prism RGB Demon Eyes in there. We've got the profile RGB halos, both there and there. And we've got the Morimoto LED for the turn signal. This was a running light originally, and so now what I've done is replace that with a 12-inch RGB LED strip, also profile prism. What's real fun about all of this is the halos and the strip are switchback, so I'm going to show that to you in a minute. The paint job in here is absolutely stunningly gorgeous. It was a black base coat, created a mid coat with a blue metal flake in it. So it definitely pops. If it would stop focusing on me in a reflection and start looking at the paint, that would be great. But, you know, whatever. I guess we'll take what we can. All right, so let me show you everything in action. All right, so again, we are controlled via the app. This is my first build where I actually required 2 controllers because there are technically 10 channels here. There are 2 Demon Eyes, 2 halos, and then also an RGB strip there. So right now I've got them all independently controlled. However, the idea is that the easiest way is whoop. All right, so we got it all white right now. And again, we can control this boy and then go, whoa, my goodness. So let's put that there. So you can see, again, we've got the RGB LED strip down there. The halos and the Demon Eyes are all going at once right now. So let's say we want to do, boop, everything's red, and then we'll take that strip. We can change that color to, let's put that on blue. And then we'll take those guys, those are the Demon Eyes, we can put those on green. You know, I mean, that's the whole point. You can control them all independently like that. In order to go even more independent, we delete one of the channels, or one of the controllers, and then I'm controlling one Demon Eye there. I am controlling one halo there. Alright, so now I want to show you the switchback functionality of this entire setup, the blinker. Let's say for some reason he's driving down the road with all this set up like it is, and then he turns on his turn signal. The blinker kicks on. Also, all of the switchback mode are activated on the halos as well as the running strip. And as soon as this blinker turns off, it goes right back to it. Presumably, though, what he's going to want to be doing is not driving with all these multicolors going on. Let me put all these now on, let's say he's driving down the road straight whited out, you know? And then this will be his turn signal, which is pretty dope looking. And then voila, back to running light white. It's pretty cool. Yeah, no, I really like this build. It's a lot of work. It's pretty much everything you could do to a housing jammed into one housing, other than an exterior clear coat. But he's got a paint guy who can do that for him. So it will get done, hopefully, because this is obviously not a cheap setup. And it's my Mona Lisa. It's got the little eyeballs that follow you, and it's also super beautiful. So that's how I feel about this. I guess that's pretty much about it. I mean, it's pretty ridiculous, but hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. See ya.